standing knee-deep in the silver waves of the Adriatic blue, with the salt upon our skin and the summer shining through.
Four lines held tight in every hand as we wait for the morning breeze. 6 hearts beating just as one in a symphony of ease.
Oh, brother wind is carrying our painted birds across the open, endless sky, drawing circles and geometric dreams while the world is watching by.
The crowd is cheering from the shore as we carve the light and trace the air, leaving trails of magic over Artevento without a single worldly care. Up and down and left and right, our silken shadows dance and weave above the ocean foam, moving like a single restless spirit that has finally found its home. Every sudden turn and perfect dive is a story written in the tension of the strings we hold. A family bound by the water and the wind in a memory of gold. Oh, brother wind is carrying our painted birds across the open, endless sky, drawing circles and geometric dreams while the world is watching by. The crowd is cheering from the shore as we carve the light and trace the air, leaving trails of magic over Artevento without a single worldly care. We are chasing the rhythm of the waves, pulling colors from the sun and painting them across the day. Just 6 friends lost in the beauty